Alright everybody, I am off fishing again at Margarita Lake today. Getting a lot later start because, well, I was waiting for it to warm up a little bit. So the car's loaded and I'm ready to go. Got all the gear in the car, and also have some stuff to make lunch out there because I'm going to probably be out there a little bit longer. So I got stuff in the box for lunch and in the ice chest, and also some bait. I'll see you out there. Alright everybody, well, I didn't get any footage out there fishing, but really wasn't nothing too special. I am probably going to go find another spot now. See what I had. I just talked to someone that was fishing, and there was a spot kind of just over there a little bit, and they said he just caught like a 3.5 pounder. So I'm probably gonna actually go try that area, see what's up. I don't know, it's possible I might catch something, it's possible not. But yeah, right now I am going to probably go get something to eat because, well, I didn't really eat breakfast this morning, so I'm kind of hungry. So I'm probably gonna go get something to eat, and then probably come back down to where I'm at, go try that spot where they just said they caught a 3-pounder. Still a little overcasty, kind of cloudy, foggy. So we'll see what happens. Till then. So I tried the spot where they said they just caught a 3-pounder. I didn't have any luck. I'm not quite sure what they were using. They didn't really say. So, I mean, it's kind of hard to use what they were using, seeing that I didn't know. Yeah, so like I said, I mean, I tried that spot, wasn't catching anything. Definitely going to try a couple other spots today, see what happens. I will let you know. Y'all have a great day. I was just trying another little spot. No luck yet, but I'm not going to give up. I'm going to keep trying. I've got lots of other baits to try and lure, so see what happens. Now, as you can see, I got the visor on right now. Hasn't been sunny enough to wear it. I'm just wearing it right now just to give you an idea, or basically a quick shout out to fishangler.com. It's an app that you can download. It's a really great place for anglers to get together and talk about fishing. It's kind of like the Fish Brain app, except this one is totally free. They're improving it all the time. Also, I've been a member for a little while now. What I will do is, in the description below, I will put a link to actually the website to the app, and from there, if you want, you can follow me on fishangler.com. I have also started a group for the local anglers in the 805 area, which is San Luis Obispo County and parts of other counties also. It's called 805 Fishing. You can also find that on Fish Angler. Right now, the group is only going to be open to people that live in the general area, in the 805 area code. There's lots of other groups on fishangler.com, though, so I do suggest that you go on, check them out. If you are in the local 805 area, then by all means join the group. We're going to be doing group get-togethers, different places, sometimes out here at Margarita Lake. Sometimes we're going to be doing group get-togethers maybe at Lopez Lake. Maybe we'll even have them down like on the beach or at the pier or something, where I'm not entirely sure. It's been a work in progress. So like I said, I just want to give a quick shout out to fishangler.com. You can find them in the Google Play Store, and I'm pretty sure you can also find them in the Apple Store. I don't know. I'm not an Apple user. And like I said, we'll put a link down below in the comment or in the section down below, and that way you can follow that link and you can also download that from there. It will be the one probably pretty much from the Play Store. I don't know if that works for Apple. Once again, I'm not an Apple user. But yeah, I'm gonna keep on fishing. It's still pretty overcasty right now, but I mean, what can I say? I'm gonna keep on fishing. I heard a couple people catching stuff. I think I'm gonna take a quick cruise around the lake, maybe talk to a couple other anglers out here and see if they're catching anything. Till then, I'll keep you posted. Well, haven't caught anything today. I did witness one guy on a boat catch what, I mean, from what I can see, it looks like a big mouth bass. It was probably about, I'd say 3 pounds or better. I mean, it's a pretty good sized bass. Probably just gonna go ahead and call it a day today. Sun never really came out. I was kind of hoping that sun come out. So yeah, I mean, you can't catch them all. But all you can do is keep trying, and it's just fun to go fishing anyway. So until next time, everybody, I hope you all have a great, safe year, and may your line stay tight.